Finhabits Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Finhabits are in the description for more details. Finhabits is a robo-advisor specifically designed for the Latinx community in the US, aiming to make investing accessible and straightforward for those who are often underrepresented in traditional investment platforms. The platform focuses on helping individuals build wealth through globally diversified portfolios with a strong emphasis on financial literacy and long-term growth. Finhabits offers a range of portfolios tailored to different risk appetites, including conservative, balanced, and growth strategies, all built using low-cost ETFs. It provides automatic rebalancing and tax optimization, which can help improve returns over time. One standout feature is its ability to create a personalized investment plan based on your goals, such as retirement or buying a home, which makes it easy for beginners to stay on track and invested in their financial future. The platform's design is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to first-time investors. Another key benefit is its low starting investment amount of just $5, which means anyone, even with limited capital, can begin investing and growing their wealth. Furthermore, Finhabits offers low annual management fees, making it affordable compared to many other robo-advisors. One of the strengths of Finhabits is its educational content. They offer financial coaching and educational resources in Spanish, empowering users to make informed decisions about their finances and investments. This is a unique touch that caters directly to the Latinx community, giving users the tools to take control of their financial future. On the downside, Finhabits' portfolio options may feel limited to some, especially experienced investors looking for more customization in asset allocation. Additionally, while the platform is excellent for beginners, advanced features such as tax loss harvesting or more intricate investment strategies are not available. Overall, Finhabits is a great choice for Latinx investors looking for a simple, affordable way to begin investing in a diversified portfolio. It's a powerful platform for those looking for both financial guidance and an easy way to get started in the world of investing. Check out the links in the description for more details.